Welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. I'm Mr. Krauss.
I'm Miss Gladwell.
And I'm Mrs. Lineberry.
And this is going to be your open house presentation.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Lineberry. I have been teaching for 14 years. I am married. I have 4 kids, and my passion is teaching.
Next up, we have Miss Gladwell.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Gladwell. I've been at Reedy Fork since the doors were open. So I've been doing all kinds of different things. I'm excited about having you in my class this year. Some of my favorite things to do are read. I love Starbucks coffee, chocolate, and any kind of candy.
And I'm Mr. Krauss. This is my 17th year in elementary education. I've been in 12 years in Guilford County schools, the last stint, but I also started in Guilford County back in 2004. And I got my bachelor's of education from Western Carolina in the mountains and my master's from UNCG. And this is my first year as a Reedy Fork Ranger, and I'm so happy to be here and happy to have you in my class. All right, and now Ms. Lineberry is going to introduce you to some of our specialists this year.
All right, Miss Tia Thompson is our AG specialist. She will be working with some of your children in the AG department. Mr. Quincy It will be our media specialist this year, and he will be contacting you with a link to sign up to check out books.
And you know, Miss Lineberry, so let's say that we're looking for the same book and Miss Gladwell's been reading it and she said, hey, I turned it in this morning. I can't go in there and check it out because of everything that's going on. It's got to be sanitized for 72 hours. So that's like, what, three
whole days.
3 whole days
Yeah.
that it has to sit and wait. But after those 3 days, then I can go in and that book will be available again. So for the best books that you're most excited to read right now, look for Mr. Quincy's links and get your books reserved.
And this is Miss Moore, our school counselor. She will be posting lessons for guidance online. Miss Weathersby, she is our PE teacher, physical education. She will be posting our PE lessons online. Miss Montgomery, our music specialist, she will be doing the same thing with her lessons. You'll find them online. Miss Capps, if your child is an EL student, Miss Capps will be serving them. And Miss Harrison, she is our EC teacher. She will be working with students in 4th and 5th grades. And Miss Goodman, she will also be working with our class as a reading specialist.
And you know, doing this online learning and sitting in front of a screen all day, is that healthy?
No.
No.
It's not. Don't spend hours upon hours just sitting in front of a screen. And I'm sure Miss Weathersby would second this. That you got to get up and move around. You got to just keep your muscles woke up and keep the blood flowing, right? Now, before we get started with going live, and we're going to do that by September, is it September 9th? September 8th, September 9th, somewhere around there. It's when we're going to go live and we'll be in front of you teaching. Right now, we're just giving you lessons that the county has provided. So if you have questions about that, we may not be able to answer it because we didn't build those.
That is correct.
So after September 8th or 9th, if you have questions, we still may not be able to answer those, but we will be able to find someone who can. Yeah. So go ahead and make sure you've downloaded these apps. Get this Canvas Student. It just makes things more accessible. You get notifications when announcements go out. Class Notebook is a new thing that was developed this summer, really. And we're going to be using that for you to keep your work in. No more can you say, I lost my copy. Do y'all ever hear that?
Yes.
All the time.
What about the dog ate it?
Yes.
Yeah,
Or
no.
my baby brother ripped it up.
Okay, so that's not going to happen because it's going to be inside your class notebook. And the thing that we like most is we're not going to be making copies until 5 o'clock at night.
That's right.
We'll just be designing lessons. All right, and then Teams. Go ahead and download Teams. So we're going to be meeting in Teams. That's where we're going to do our reading conferences, our check-ins, and our live teaching.
Please remember to do your attendance by 2 o'clock each day.
And so, as you just heard from our principal, Miss Lindsay, we will be doing attendance each day. You will need to check in before
2 o'clock.
each day. All right? So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us on Dojo or email or call the school here and leave a voicemail if we're not here. And we'll get back to you within 48 hours. That's usually the window. If it's urgent, of course, we're going to try and get to you. But 48 hours is the extent. Like, we'll do our best. Anything else that you guys would like to
I think
add?
that's it.
All right. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day, whatever is left of it. And we're going to have a great year in 2020, 2021. Stay safe.